Hello, my loves. It is late at night. And just finished a webinar, which of course was super profound, covered amazing esoteric subject. But Meir touched on something that very practical, but was a real revelation for me. So I struggle a bit with doing everything in my organization, from a lot with the website, content, teaching, all of this. And people are always giving me suggestions like, hey, oh, you could do this thing. Or he was talking about, like, people had suggested him to go on TikTok. And it's like, it only takes a second, but it doesn't take a second. Yeah, making a video or producing content requires a whole process. And you can streamline a lot of it yourself, but really it's a team. And the funny thing is, like, it was so relieving for me to hear it, because I get this all the time. Just make a video about this. And I shoot a lot of video content, which is coming up soon. But it was really rewarding to hear someone say, hey, it takes a team, and there's an entire like a organization around it to actually put out content. Otherwise it becomes like another task that overwhelms you, and you try to expand, you do all these things. And it was super practical, useful for me to hear Meir say that, because I just became immediately relieved, and it also showed me what I can do about it. That, it's true, I do need, if I'm going to expand in this way, or I want to do this other thing, I need to train some people in that specific thing. And it just became very clear that was the right thing to do. Of course, in the class today, I had many other amazing, life-changing, like really high-level realizations, but that practical one, I was like, I wish I'd known that 10 years ago. It's like just perfect. And so anyways, join the Yoga Sutras this Sunday. It is going to be amazing. I promise you. All right. Bye.